with, 87 degrees, dew points in the 70s. It has gotten down finally to 55% relative humidity, which I always say is kind of a threshold for getting hay to dry, really. But we do got a lot of wind, and we got some sun intermittent with some clouds, and it's the best we can do. But the days are short now. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. I got one other field to do after this crabgrass. The other field's just first cut and old first cut and orchard grass, so that's not a big deal. I gotta rake it yet, but I had to make a decision with this crabgrass. Do the 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 rule. 1/3 of the hay is too wet when you start baling. The middle 1/3 is just right during the heat of the day, and then as it gets later in the day and the dew starts in, that last third is too wet. Kind of all averages out, I guess. Hopefully. We keep losing sun too. It'll get sunny, and the sun will get behind some clouds. This is kind of the haying weather we had back in the 90s. Hot, humid days where you couldn't get hay to dry. Kind of seems like we're right back at it. Definitely got some dust flying now on the baler. I'd say stuff's a lot drier now after baling for about a half hour. So yeah, I now got the humidity dropping a little bit. I think it's going to come out pretty quick though this evening. Well, about 5:30, it's 47% humidity. Man, it's nice to have normal baling weather for once. So we'll probably have to yield as normal on some of this first cut because, this stuff was done growing in June when we still had the drought. We got a lot of rain. The only difference is we got some second regrowth, around the seed head stalk. So this stuff looks bright green, so that's nice.